Let me show you how to fix missing Instagram features. Instagram loves to slowly roll out new features. I'll show you how to get those latest features no matter what. Now let's open up the Instagram app here and get to your settings. And in your settings, there are a couple different things I would recommend checking to see if you have essentially a restriction on the features. So if you scroll down from the Instagram settings, we're specifically looking for your ability to check to see if there are restrictions. You can see removed content and specifically the features you can't use. If there's anything on here that says there are features that you cannot use, there could be a community guidelines violation limiting that. Now, if that's not an issue for you, let's just close out of the Instagram app and all of the other apps. Now from here, let's just go ahead into the App Store or Google Play Store, and we're just going to type in Instagram and go through the process of updating it if you haven't already. If you see an update option on Instagram, just update to the latest version. But if you don't see that, we can go through the next step, which will force update it, but also clear out all of the cache and temporary files on that Instagram app, and a lot of times fix any kind of bugs or features that are not available yet. So by going through this process of offloading and reinstalling this app, essentially what this does is it force updates it and it gives you the latest features in 2025, almost 2026 here. And essentially when it's done installing again, you'll be able to see I can open it up and I can mess around with the Explore page and the messages and all that, and I'll get the latest version. You can see I can even filter out noise on the inbox and a bunch of other options as well.